welcome to Technical Heaven, and today I'm going to show you how we can mod any Android app or game using Android device. So for this we need an app called APK Editor. So here I am using APK Editor Pro. This is the paid version of the app. I already mentioned the download link of APK Editor Pro, so you don't have to buy the Pro version, or you don't have to use the free version, because free version contains ad, and free version has less features. So I already mentioned the download link of APK Editor Pro in the video description. You can download it from here. So now let me show you how we can mod app using APK Editor Pro. So here is the two options. Select an APK file. You can modify an APK file from your memory card, or in phone memory card, internal memory or external memory, or you can modify any installed app as well. So to modify an installed app, just click here, and here is all the installed app here, and here is the option system app. Just tick the system app to modify your phone system apps as well. So just click. I'm just showing you how to do this, so just press here. So here the four option: edit data for root. This option is just for rooted device, and using this option you can change modify the database, and everything you like sensitive data like build time and certificates and all. You can use this. So I'm not going for the root for right now, because this is for now I'm showing for normal phones or phones. So the second option is common edit. You can, using common edit, you can modify the app name, package name, and destination, where to download the app, version code, and SDK number, target SDK version, and all. And to modify the packaging, because we can't install the same app with same package name twice or thrice, but you just can modify the package name and install same app in your phone for two multiple times. You just changing the package name. You can use one app like WhatsApp or any other app, but just change the package name and use it in your system. So now let me show you the second option. Third option, sorry, simple edit. This is the file replacement. You just can replace file or audios in the game system. So you can change these images, or you can change these audios. You prefer audio, such this is a click. These are the game's default audios. You can change them. For this I'm changing this audio. Just press this button and selecting this click to audio, and let me show you. See, the audio already changed. So if you now compile the game, save, press save button, so then the game will be assembled again, and you can use the game with your own audios. You can save the audios and pictures as well. Just press this save button and it will be saved. And now select the folder where you want to save and just press ok, and it will be saved in your paper folder. And here's the main file, like Android manifest classes.txt and resources.arc. This file contains the main programming of the app, and res folder contains the design of the app. If you are an Android developer, then you may know all about this, so I'm not going this for this all. If you are Android device and developer, then you replace this all with your own designer and all. So I'm just closing this, and I'm going for the last option. So let me show you the last option is full edit. You can rebuild the app. You can change the programming of the app. So here is the default values of the SDK, so I'm not going for that. So now go to the file, and now you can change the main file, main programming of the app as well. So for this you just have to convert the text file. We saw in file replacement there was a file called classes.txt that the content the programming of the app. So just convert it to Smalley. Just press here and it will convert it to Smalley. And now you can modify the programming from here. Not all the program, just you can change the values from here. And here's the manifest contains the permissions and all about the app. So you can add and remove permission. So here is this app. This is the internet for the internet permission. So you can just change and modify permission here. You can change package names and all are here. The manifest, If you know about Android app developing, you know all about this, so I'm not going for this. I'm just showing you how to mod using APK Editor Pro. So let it to be converted. So here's another features, searching for string and replace that. So let me show you how we can replace. So just search for splash, so it will search for all the folders and all directories, and it will show you the containing files which are containing the flash string in it, within it. So let it to be done. So we're not going for this again. Search. Or maybe two action are working with the same time, so it is taking a bit time because the dex is converting to Smiley plus we are searching for the string. So just stop it, let the dex to be converted first. Okay, so let me show you what contains the asset file. Asset is the level data. So this is the level data. You can add your own level here as well. Okay, so already, so here is the level. If you saw the game, then you may, okay, let me show you the game I look for. So here's the level 1. This is the this is a riddle game. So this is the containing, what is the ribbon, answer is road. Here is the riddle and here is the answers. So you can just like this, you just can add your own level. Like it is a 21 level, you can now add 22 level here. From here you can use 22, 23, like your own levels here. This contains asset file contains this all. Okay, now here's the res file. Here is the design of the app are here. So here's the layout. Here's the layout of splash screen. You can change the splash screen design from here. You can change the main screen from here. These all are XML files, contains the design of the app. You, if you know about Android app developing, then you know about this. I'm not going for that. And this folder contains the full pictures and sounds for the app. So here is the sound pictures. You can change pictures from here as well, or you can simply use the file replacement option to replace files and audios. I saw you in last option. So let's go to Smiley. The Smiley now go to package. So package was com.darky.bt. Dot means skipping a directory. So these are dot means a directory. So com.darky.bt means com of folder, darky another a subfolder in it, and bt in. So this all are the main programming of the game. So the game, you can open this and main activity. Just let me open. This is the converted version of main activity.java. Main activity.java converted to this. So you can just change this main string from here as well. So I'm not going here for this. I'm just showing you what these files are. So now let's go back and let me search for. Okay, now let me search for a search option. So just splash to search, searching for splash, and it will show you all files which are containing flash string in it. So it is just searching for them. And when, okay, let it do first. Okay, so it's taking a bit time, don't know why. Okay, maybe I made a mistake in typing the value splash. Okay, so let me search again for splash. Okay, so when it will show the splash containing files here, just if you want to replace a specific string, so you just can search it here and it will show all the files that are containing the all the files that are containing the your target string. And now if you want to replace the string, for example, if you want to replace splash, as I am searching, with something like this, so you just press here and it will show you, are you sure to replace splash with haha, and press OK to replace all the string with your preferred string. So I'm not going for that. So now let me show you a basic modification how we can modify the app. So I'm just going for common edit to show you how this actually work. So you can change the app name. So for this blah 2, you can change the package name. So here you as I told you that you can't add, you can add same app twice thrice using this. Okay, now you can change if you want to install the app in your external memory, you can select this option. If you want to install it in your internal memory, say if you want your ways to make the decision, so just press this option, or you can just leave it like default as it is, or you can change the version code or version. So version is, I'm telling 1.1, and just save button, and it will work. Let it run. So wait for it to okay, so app succeeds. So the app is ready, our mod is ready to be installed. Just press install button and install it again. So I'm not going for that, so just go back and now close. So this is how you can modify any app or any game using this. So and this is how you can modify any app. You can use all these features if you want to just replace the name. So you can use common edit, or you can if you want to replace files or audios or pictures like backgrounds and all, you can use the second option, like it was like file replacement option. It was simple edit. Or if you want to rebuild the resource fully, like programming, if you want to replace that, you can go for full edit. So this is how you can modify any app or game using Android, your Android device. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.